Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how you can increase your audience engagement using autoresponders. Stick with me till the end of this video, I'm Pedro and I will show you how. Right now we are in the autoresponders page, we just went to menu autoresponders and we have sent our welcome email, and now we were thinking of having a small course just to keep your subscribers engaged, and then we can pitch a sale at the end of the autoresponders, for example. As you can see, I already went ahead of myself and have a welcome email here and 2 lessons, and now we'll show you how you can do the same. We would firstly click here to change the view. This is just my preference, we could just go to create autoresponder, but I would like to have an overview of how my course is organized. And I already have lesson 1 here on day 2 and lesson 2 on day 4. Let's now go to day 6 and take me to the email creator. And my newsletter is graphic design lesson 3. Can be anything that you have expertise on, something that you can teach and to keep your customers engaged as well. I will choose at the same time I sign up, and also can be any day, it doesn't really matter. It will be when it's suitable for someone to read it and to go through the lesson. And then here you choose design and content. I will go with the same template I used before, just for showing this to you, and also you can use the same template for the same course as well. It's consistent. We can just click next now. And once we are here, you just confirm once again all the settings that you have, and if everything is ready to go, just click save and publish. If you already have someone in this autoresponder cycle but ahead of day 6, you will see this message, and if you click yes, send it, the message will be sent to customers who are already further in the cycle. And as you can see, now we have 3 lessons, and you can then add another for example, to sell your real course. This mini course could be just a sneak peek into your deeper course. It's just a way to keep your subscribers engaged and to make use of autoresponders. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I wish you a great day.